yet again, waiting on more supplies. Run out of 100mm foil tape, and where you see the black duct tape, that's where I was having trouble with the aluminium foil tape sticking to the panels to keep the vapor barrier set taut. But it's coming along. Loads of insulation has been installed, sound deadening and extra fire resistant panels, as you can see on the roof there, hidden behind all of the vapor barrier on the back end. Bottle top insulation, and as you probably know, it's all the normal stuff for insulating of vans. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.